I believe it's increasing by 10%, for example. But at the end of the year, what is it going to be? We don't know. It could end up being $800 per ounce. Can you imagine that? So it is a good investment. Gold, silver is a good investment. If you can't afford gold, then you buy silver and you start stockpiling it, having it in a either home safe or store it somewhere where you know that you're able to get at it when you need to. Look, let me tell you something. America has asked for gold to be delivered back in America. So if they are doing it, and all of these countries are doing the same, where they are having their gold delivered back into their country, so they know that it's there and they know what the value is, rather than just having a piece of paper that, yes, my gold is being stored in another country. How do you know it's really there, for example? And it's time for us really to start getting back to basics. I really don't know why the manufacturing even stopped in the first place in our own countries, because as far as I'm concerned, it was giving people jobs back then. And now we're going, what? We're going back to basics, you know, building factories, manufacturers are starting to be built up again. You know, all of those manufacturing companies that went bust because we were there just passing things out to other countries, for example, to do the work, when there was plenty of people in the country of where you are that can do the work. So what I want to say to you is, why not start a scrap gold party business? I am running an event. I'm running a masterclass. This one is free. You'll also get a free gift whereby you will get a free guide of how to start your own gold and silver business, for example. But what we're also doing is we will be running classes on this about how to get scrap gold and silver, how you can do it for yourself at a fraction of the cost, because not everyone can afford $800 for an ounce of gold, can we? You know, so not everyone can do that. Same with silver. Start off where you can afford to start off. That is what I'm saying to you. And join me for my lives. I do go live on YouTube daily, for example. I'm shooting this quick video here because I want you to start becoming aware. It is, the stock market is going down, 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 down. Forget about that. We can't really rely on that. So start building your own wealth by creating your own gold and silver scrap gold or silver, for example. And then once it becomes a certain weight, you'll be able to turn it into a coin or multiple coins, or you can turn it into gold bars. And that is what I'm saying to you right now, is for you to do that, because you can grow your gold business, gold and silver business, by doing this. You can do it from home. It is a simple way for you to get extra wealth building strategies. And this can also be part of your pension.